Dreamweaver 2018 Unordered List Navigation Setup, Understanding the Basics 2, Part 2. Greetings Webbies. As promised, we're making this series of tutorials super simple. I'll be showing you how to create a basic unordered list navigation setup. We're not worried about styles, we're not worried about design. We're going to create the navigation setup, and then we're going to create 3 additional pages, and we're going to link them together for working navigation. This should help you understand the process as you move forward into more elaborate environments. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is change my title. This is going to be like my home page. If you were thinking in terms of it being a portfolio homepage, it would be appropriate to name it after yourself. So the title of my homepage is going to be my name. And since we're going to create duplicates of this page as the additional page, the only thing that's going to vary right now is going to be the title. That way, when we preview them in a browser, we'll be able to tell that it's actually working. So under our H1 that we've created inside the body opening and closing tag, I'm going to hit enter. From the horizontal menu at the top of the main Dreamweaver panel, I'm going to select Insert. Then I'm going to come down in the drop-down menu and I'm going to select Unordered List. And as you can see, it created an unordered list opening and closing tag. Because my cursor's in exactly the right place between the opening and closing tag, I'm going to insert a list item. I'm going to call the home page my name. So I'll type my name between the first list opening and closing tag. And then I'm going to click after the first list element closing tag, insert list item. And the name of my next page is going to be about. I need to spell it correctly. Okay, then after my second list closing tag, I'm going to put my cursor between the list closing tag and the unordered list closing tag. I'm going to insert a list item. I'm going to call this my work. And I'm going to put my cursor between the list closing tag and the unordered list closing tag, making sure I'm not inside either closing tag like I almost was. And I'm going to insert one more list item. And I'm going to call this Contact Me. Okay, and now I'm going to go File, Save All. Okay, so we have a basic list here. Now I'm going to show you a really neat trick that's available in Dreamweaver that's going to make what we have to do in a future tutorial much easier. I'm going to click anywhere in the HTML, and then in my icon tools menu on the left side of my Dreamweaver page, I'm going to click the icon that's just above what looks like the cartoon text boxes that we use to create comments. And I'm going to click on the Format Source Code. And I'm going to click on Apply Source Formatting. And you see then it brought the list items down, made it nice and neat, automatically indented them so they're really easy to look at. This is all that's involved in creating the basic list menu. So the next thing we're going to do in the next tutorial is create pages. I hope you're finding this helpful. Have a great day.